Namaskar, Guruji.
Namaskar.
Guruji, our mental health was very much affected in the first wave of COVID and also in the second wave of COVID. And currently, how in the news it's coming, like the Delta wave, the third wave is also coming. So, Guruji, please explain how can we keep attack in our mental health?
Keep hope alive. It's the only way forward. So, what is now is the question about mental health is how you look at your information. Don't listen misinformation or don't listen to what people say around. You know, this pandemic frustration is real. But everything above is knowledge is power. How you keep your emotional well-being. If you don't care for yourself, many uncomfortable emotions can arise, such as sadness, anger, frustration, and hopelessness. My suggestion is that focus on surviving, not thriving. If you think you can be at your productive best, please lower your expectations. I know there are a lot of violence is taking place due to lack of trust in governing institutions. There are a lot of information wrongly spread in the social media. But don't look ahead. Feed your soul. It is important to connect with the beliefs, your trust. But if you listen to others who is dying, who is going to the hospital and who is getting COVID or who is talking about Delta virus and all such things, then definitely your mind will be flooded with negativity. And that itself is going to damage your body and mind and soul. So it's my advice, always make yourself complete faith, surrender to yourself. And keep yourself vigilant, monitor your health. Ensure you are eating well at every opportunity with good nutritious food, because health is energy. Positivity is a good energy. So it is very good to focus in the positive directions than the negative direction. Today we know this pandemic has lost many lives. But it's not because of the ill health. It's only because they were not focused. They were not having belief in themselves. It is all because of fear. So I will say 90% fear and 10% is what is called a disease. Because people don't die out of a disease or any pandemic virus. People die because of their mental level. Understanding the fact and figures. So, the best way to keep mental peace in one well-being is to understand the self, to keep safe, to keep fit, and to think positivity, avoid all negativity informations. That's all. Definitely, you will see this pandemic will win, and this corona or any viruses will go, and nobody will suffer with this. So make your mind a perfect peace in your soul, in your kingdom, then see that nothing is going to happen. You will always remain fit and good health. I pray God to keep everyone healthy at the highest good. Everyone come out from these sufferings and keep faith in God, in yourself, and definitely you'll come out with this pandemic. Thank you very much for watching my this pandemic mental peace webinar, and I would like you to subscribe, comment and share. Definitely I'll come out with a new video again soon. Thank you.